Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to film the week of 16th of March to 22nd of March 2020, and it is interesting times to be alive. So my country, Australia, is still not on lockdown, but we are seeing panic buying and all of those things because of COVID-19. But I want to keep life going as normal as possible, and that means also putting out content for my YouTube channel. And I put out content mostly because it makes me happy. And I need this to keep sane. Honest to God, I really need something to stay sane. Like I said, I'm not on lockdown, so I'm not bound home at all. I'm still going to work and life kind of as usual. But I've been working 8 to 16 hours a day on the past week. I work for the government, so we are so that there's a lot of things involved right now, and I've been working a lot, so I need this to prevent myself from having issues with anxiety and depression and all of that. So this week we are going to do a plan with me, a memory plan with me, and on the 20th it was the first day of fall. Now in Australia, if you don't know, they celebrate fall on the 1st of the correspondent month. So for example, 1st of March would be the first day of fall, or first day of December would be the first day of summer, which I just can't wrap my head around that. I come from another country where it's on the 20th or 21st of the respective month, so my brain is still working that way. And on 1st of March it was so hot here that I'm like, no, it's not fall yet. So this week I think it's the last spell of summer here, so like that last week when everything turns into beautiful summery weather before the cold and the gloom of fall. So that's why I am doing my first fall spread of 2020, and you can expect more dark earthy tones from me from now on. This week I'm using the kit from October 2019 from ShopVillaBeauttiful. As usual, I'm using my kits pretty much a year after or so. And it is again a fall themed kit, and it has these beautiful earthy tones, and I am so excited to be using it. There's a lot on this little book here, and I think we're gonna do some amazing things with it. I'm also using these washi tapes. So these two are from that kit that I just showed, and they are these beautiful gold foiled washi. And of course I'm gonna use the coffee Monsterz coat because I've been waiting the whole year pretty much to use this one. I've been waiting since I got it last year to use it, and I had to. I really have to. The foil doesn't match, but that's okay. I'm gonna pretend that didn't happen because I really want to use this. So let's get started. I'm not going to use anything else aside from the kit today. I'm not going to pull anything from my stash unless something happens here that I need to, but I'll try not to. So let me pull the pages out of the sticker book and let's get to it. We are going to white out the lines on my sidebar. As usual, I do this every time because I use my sidebar in a decorative way, and I don't want the lines to see through the washi that I'm using this time. So this time I'm using the washi that came with this kit from ShopVillaBeauttiful, as well as the beautiful creatures, fall creatures, a washi from the Coffee Monsterz cup. This washi is no longer available in her shop, but I'm happy that I got some, and it's absolutely adorable. So I think it matched really well with the theme of the kit, as well with the colors and the purpose of the season. And despite the fact that the washi from the Coffee Monsterz Co is not gold foil, it's rose gold, yellowish, more pinkish color, I think it matched well. You can barely notice that. Anyway, then we put the full boxes. My first full box was the Let's Stay Home because of the current situation of the world. So I also used the 5 or 7 millimeters washi from the kit, ShopVillaBeauttiful kit, to be headers, because the sticker book doesn't come with headers. And then I put down all of my full boxes throughout the week. So the first one was obviously Stay Home, because if you are living this year, stay home, because that's how we have to do it to flatten the curve. Then I just randomly picked each of the full boxes, but mostly when I'm picking the full boxes, I'm looking for colors that are different from the previous full box that I used. On the Thursday, I chose this design. This background design is just one of my favorites on this kit. And for Friday, I definitely chose the Hello Fall one, because that's, for me, when fall officially started, which was the 20th of March. Then on Saturday I chose one with like a shelf kind of full boxes, because it was my stay home day, and that's what I wanted to represent on that day. And yes, I wasn't working from home on that week, and I didn't work from home this past week. I will be starting working from home next week, so Monday onwards I'm working from home, thankfully, because I was really starting to get concerned about the situation, but finally it has come to fruition. So because there's no matching, there's no double box on this kit, I put the boxes randomly in a randomly spaced situation. I used the flag from the kit and a mug from the kit, so everything I'm using is from the kit. I'm gonna stop saying that. So I used a mug to represent Coffee Monday, and then I realized that I had date covers, so I just white out all of the days on my insert, and I put down the date covers. This insert is by Justania Printables, if you're wondering. It's the week on 4 pages bow, if I'm not mistaken. And if you want to know more about it, let me know and I'll reply on the comments. So I put down all of my date covers, and then I used a little icon with a pin to remind myself that I was going to work, and then a flat lay with a planner, which can also be my work. So I did a mix and match of the flat lay and icons to represent work, and I did that throughout Monday to Friday. Back to Monday, I put down a quarter box with a little package icon to mark down that I wanted to do a PO run for a distash that I sold a few things, and a half box with kitchen utensils to mark down that I wanted to buy some food, as well as a little icon with a broom to remind myself that I needed to tidy up my house. Tuesday, it was my mom's birthday, so I put down a little gift icon, as well as a banner that it was a very busy day for me, and a little flower that I wanted to water my plants, along with a half box to mark down that I did overtime that day a lot, as I've been doing for the past weeks to prepare to work from home. A half box to mark down that I wanted to upload my flip through and promote my flip through. If you haven't watched that, it's on my channel. You're welcome to watch it. I had I had to do some Happy Mail that day, as well as a half box to remind myself to catch up on my planners because there was no time, and it was also midnight. Moving on to Thursday, I wanted to promote a YouTube haul that I had, as well as water my plants again because it was Thursday, and a half box with my grocery list of things that I wanted to buy but I didn't know if I could, and the pen sticker to just break down that white space. On Friday I did a list. It was my day off on that day, so I used the planner as well as the checklist to mark down all of the things I wanted to do, like schedule content, voiceover, etc., as well as half box with an icon to put away my Happy Mail. I received the Coffee Monsterz Coil Happy Mail that day. Another icon to clean my litter trays, and a half box to binge watch some TV shows because I really needed to relax. On the Saturday, I put down a little box from the kids saying grateful and blessed because I wanted to sleep in, a to-do header, and a checklist for my chores, for my house chores, a half box for I wanted to fix my office and I put a bow icon on it, as well as clean my bedroom carpet, and a quarter box for my CSI binge watch. On Sunday I did my little list with that beautiful deco piece and plan all of the things. I dedicated my time on Sunday to plan, and I think it looks really beautiful. Alright everyone, that's the base of the kit of this week, and I think it looks really good actually. I love the colors. I really do. I did have a few issues with placements. I think that sometimes it looks busy, some points it looks busy. I don't know. I'll see how it looks once I write everything down. So I'll do that now, and I'll come back with you shortly to show it inside my planner. That's it everyone. This is the spread for this week. I love the sidebar. I really do. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's so cute. And you can see some sneaks of my fall setup here, but that will come on another video. So I think this looks so nice. I thought it might look cluttered with all the patterns and different shades and the foil, but it actually looks stunning. Of course, I ruined it with my handwriting, but that's okay. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you were having a great time despite of everything. And please subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll make sure that I answer as quickly as I can. And I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. I do have a haul scheduled for Wednesday night Australia time, or Tuesday morning, I think, American time. So stay tuned for that, and subscribe to my channel. I'm also on Instagram if you want to see more of my pictures, and I hope to see you soon on my next video or on Instagram. Make sure to say hello. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay sane, wash your hands, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, lottles. Bye.